Are you dealing with a flooding issue in your house? We can install a device that can eliminate the flooding. When there's a clog or disruption, sewage can flow backward through your drains and flood your home. That's where we come in. Call us. We arrive with an effective solution to stop the flooding. First, we need to clear your drain line to remove any clogs, grease or buildup. The best way to do that is with hydrojet cleaning. Our team can show you a short video explaining the process, so you'll know exactly what we're going to do. Once the line is clear and the water has recessed, we can move forward with installing a backflow valve. A backflow valve is a device installed in your main drain line that prevents sewage from coming back into your home. When water flows out, the valve opens, allowing water to flow freely out of your home. But if there's a backup, it remains closed to stop contaminated water from re-entering your home. First, we saw cut the ground and break the concrete to gain access to the drain line. Only as much as needed. The time needed to access the line and install the valve may vary depending on the specific conditions of each home. After reaching the drain, we install the valve and test it to make sure it's working properly. Once that's done, we'll backfill it with stone and cement the top with concrete. If you're experiencing a flood, give us a call. Our experts will take care of it for you.